Uh-huh.
Cloudy. Some localized flooding or isolated. Small streams. Urbanized. Or have forward. Storms will be possible in central Georgia. Wind southeast at 6. Atlanta, light rain effect for portions of north. The web by the State Park, Hilltop, Flint Hill, Odessaville, Hollandville, and Rover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see any damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Your Georgia country artist. Hey, it's Luke Bryan.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City had The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Spalding County in west central Georgia, Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Pike County in west central Georgia, northwestern Upshur County in west central Georgia, northwestern Talbot County in west central Georgia, northeastern Harris County in west central Georgia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Greenville to near Hamilton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Zebulon, Hamilton, Greenville, Manchester, Pine Mountain, Woodbury, Mothersville, Warm Springs, Woodland, Molina, Williamson, Gay, East Griffin, FD, Roosevelt State Park, Hilltop, Flint Hill, Odessaville, Hollandville, and Rover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Alright, so we have official news. The 250 that PJ gave to me is officially dead. I don't know why or how. Wiring is okay. I tried switching the plugs around. Nothing. Yeah, dead.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for Lee County in east central Alabama, southeastern Lowndes County in south central Alabama, Montgomery County in south central Alabama, northwestern Bullitt County in southeastern Alabama, Macon County in southeastern Alabama, northern Russell County in southeastern Alabama, until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. At 9:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Montgomery, Auburn, Phoenix City, Opelika, Tuskegee, Union Springs, Fort Deposit, Medville, Smiths, Pike Road, Smith Station, Franklin, Hardaway, Liverpool, Franklin Field, Davisville, Lake Tuskegee, Shopton, Wall, and Mount Meigs. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.